Hey there, welcome to Flatbread Friday. I am craving Asian food, so today we are going to make a Thai chicken flatbread. So let's do it and let's have fun and let it be delicious. We're going to start by making a peanut sauce, which is where one of the things where our Thai comes in. And that's going to be the base for our flatbread. So we're going to start with some peanut butter. And a little splash of soy sauce. Some sweet chili sauce. And I'm going to leave that till later. What we're going to do is we're going to throw this in the microwave for a few seconds to warm it up so it mixes up well. We're all warmed up and now we're going to mix it up real well. Sweet and peanutty, and we're going to add just a little splash of this lovely Brazilian organic lime juice. Give it a little bit of liminess too, and thin it out a little bit so it's not too peanut butter pasty. All mixed up nicely, and now we're going to assemble our Thai chicken flatbread. Here we have our rustic wood-fired flatbread pizza crust, which is what we're going to use for this. And we are going to spread it all over with our peanut sauce. Our sauce is down, spread around nicely. Now we have some shredded chicken breast. I used to make this pizza a lot when I worked at Foodie's Urban Markets because we always had leftover rotisserie chicken. Well, we didn't always. A lot of times we sold out of them, but a lot of times we didn't. So it was either soup or pizza or something. But we're going to distribute this chicken all over. Our chicken is on, and as I've mentioned several times in the past, I like to put things that can dry out underneath the cheese, so that's why I put the chicken on first. And now we're followed by some mozzarella cheese, because cheese isn't really Asian, but mozzarella is sort of a neutral taste, so it makes a pizza out of it. Our next topping is going to be some egg roll veggies, also known as carrots and cabbage. It's going to be crunchy and a little vegetable-iness, and I wish there was more carrots in these because it would give it a little more color. Okay. I found a carrot in my fridge and shredded it up a little bit, so we're going to mix this in for a little additional color. And just to protect this, I'm going to put a very light sprinkle more of mozzarella over top. And we are going in a 450-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Here's what we look like. And we're going to taste yummy. You know, I was going to add these are chopped up peanuts. I was going to add them after the pizza was cooked, the flatbread was cooked. But I think I'm going to put them on now because the melty cheese will hold them on. I just hope they don't burn. And if they do, then we've learned our lesson and we'll put them on after. So, all right. Going in. Our chicken Thai chicken flatbread is out of the oven, cooked and crispy, and the peanuts survived, which I'm very happy about. And now we're going to slice it up and serve it up. Here we are on a plate, ready to serve. And before we do, we are going to garnish it with, my cilantro has started growing in my garden, so I have some, not much, but some. We're going to garnish it with a little fresh cilantro. And there she is, Thai chicken flatbread, and it's gonna be yummy. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Flatbread Friday, where we created our Thai chicken flatbread. Looking good, tasting peanutty and limey and chickeny and vegetable-y, and we're gonna see you soon. Thanks again.